Hi, I'm Robert Wilhite with UAV Ground School. Buying a drone will probably be the most expensive decision that you'll make when starting your business. So, getting this right is a big deal. For most remote pilots, the typical approach is to focus on the drone itself, researching and comparing differences and capabilities and features. Now, that's not a bad thing, and you'll probably need to know these things when you're ready to pull the trigger. But if being a commercial drone pilot is your plan, then I suggest a completely different approach to answering this question. Don't focus on the drone first. Focus on the industry. Now let me explain. When starting out, getting paid for any drone job is a big deal, and this can lead to looking for work in every direction all at the same time. Needless to say, catering to everyone doesn't allow you to be an expert at anything. So consider this. Find something or a specific industry that you're actually interested in or passionate about, and then learn everything you can about how drones can be used in that industry. Whatever your decision is, become an expert at that. Once you've identified your industry, you need to learn the environments you'll be flying in and what deliverables clients are expecting. Now, this means creating a list of realistic scenarios you could be flying in and the equipment you'd need. The more detailed your list, the easier your buying decision will be. For example, what about search and rescue? Using thermal imaging, infrared, or bright LED lighting capabilities would probably be a necessity. Are you interested in real estate? Flying in close proximity to structures, unique outdoor features, or trees would call for a smaller size drone. Is film and TV your focus? Shooting in resolutions higher than 4K, gimbals that rotate 360 degrees, or cameras on top of the drone would narrow your buying decision. Knowing how you're going to use a drone first will always make your decision process of which drone to buy much easier and far less complicated. It's exciting when you're about to buy a drone, but you have to remember it's not a toy, it's a tool for your business. Using this approach will simplify your drone purchase no matter what industry you choose. I've used this approach for every purchase and it's helped me, and I know it will help you too. Okay, the next job is yours. Click on the like button below and subscribe to our UAV Ground School channel. You can also follow us on Facebook at UAV Ground School. So, see you next time.